Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a pair of earbuds that I like them pretty much, um, but this story is not about the earbuds. It's about repairing the wire, which somehow or another got frayed. I have my suspicions that it was caught in the zipper on this case that came with the earbuds. And my other suspicion is that it's just a cheap covering on the wire. It's not really high quality. You can guess where these were made. But anyway, the sound is pretty good and they stay on my ears, so I kind of like them. I want to fix this. This is the part that wraps around the back of your neck, and also these little tiny wires are going to break eventually if I don't do something. So I came up with this liquid tape. It comes in, there's a couple of different brands, and it comes in spray on or dip or brush on. And this is the brush on, and I thought I would try brushing it onto this, maybe 2 or 3 coats, and see if it seals up and creates a new covering for the wires. So let's open it up. Basically, the fine print says stir it using the brush, which is attached to this screw on top. Stir it before each use. Make sure what you are applying to is clean and dry. I'm going to wipe this with alcohol just to get any oil off of it. And let it dry 10 minutes between coats. Use at least 2 coats. And that's about it. So let me get some alcohol out and wipe this. So I trimmed off some little frayed ends that were on there, and I put a piece of paper down there. I've got it stretched in between a couple of jack stands. Not tight, doesn't have to be tight. And now I'm going to brush it on. I whipped it up there using the cap. Let's see, it's kind of like the consistency of honey, I would say, if you had a jar of honey. Let me just wipe a little bit off the edge there. And here we go. We're just going to put it on like this. Just like that. I'm going to use 2 hands, but you get the idea. So there you are. And that looks pretty good. It went on really nice. It actually exceeded my expectations. So I'm going to put 2 more coats on there and then call it good. I'm not going to film the rest of it because you can obviously see what I've done and how it works. So this is an unusual application for this stuff called liquid tape. I'll put a link to it, and if I can find them, I'll put a link to these earbuds too, because I kind of like them. And they're called, what are they called? Senso. There it is. It's written on there. It's a Senso, S-E-N-S-O brand. And there it is. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.